What's going on, guys? Hope you guys are doing great, dudes and dudettes. Now for this video, I'm going to talk a little bit about gear. Well, camera gear to be more exact. Now gimbals are a really great tool. I think every videographer and cinematographer should have one in their bag at one point. Now I think gimbals are a great tool to get those action shots, those smooth shots that you want to get so it could look a little more cinematic. Now that's why I got this. Yes guys, I finally got a gimbal. Now, I know gimbals they could get pretty pricey. Now that's why I didn't really get a gimbal for my actual DSLR. I got one for my phone. So yeah guys, let's open up this box. Alright. Okay. So there you go guys. I got the DJI OSMO Mobile. Now, see, the thing is, they had a great deal going on a couple days ago, and I actually saw the deal the last day they had it up. So I did save a little bit of money on this. Blade, please. Ooh, yeah. There you go. Feels nice, sturdy. Me and Josh are about to go out and try this out.